Hi, my name is Anais Ruiz, and the course that I will be talking about for my study cycle evaluation is my Geology 170 Gen Ed class. I have a 2 hour break before this class, so I do prefer to use this time to prepare for my lecture by going over notes, highlighting information in my notebook that I find important and that I can use to help me understand the future lectures. I also like to get ahead in assignments and quizzes that may be posted on D2L, so that way I do not have to worry about those later on throughout the day or the week, so that way I can instead dedicate my time to studying for the class. I do regularly attend every single class and session for this course. Attendance is not mandatory, however, my teacher does use clickers, and I can achieve extra credit by doing so and going regularly to the sessions for my course. I do participate throughout the class session. My professor assigns a workbook to each of us, so I will ask the TAs or professors or my peers around me for help if I am confused in the workbook, or we can work together and get a better and more deeper understanding of the information that is being provided to us throughout that workbook. I do review the course content after the class sessions. I have a 2 hour break after my geology class as well, so I like to use this time to highlight the new information, write down things from the slideshow posted on D2L, so that way I can have more information in my notebook. And I will also go over the slideshow as well and see what I missed in person in the in-person lecture. I would define studying by not only memorizing what you have been given, but also knowing and understanding and being able to explain the causes and effects of all of that information that you have. Studying for this course is mostly just going over my notes, going over the slideshow, quizzing myself on questions in the workbook, and seeing if I have gotten those questions correct. I do know that these study habits have been incredibly effective for this course. For example, I have only had one exam so far for this class. However, it is the highest score that I have ever achieved in my school career. I achieved a 115% on our first exam, and of course, the 15% was used for extra credit. But I am happy to know that the study habits that I have been using for this course have been incredibly effective, and impactful on my GPA in such a positive manner. And again, I do know that I have truly understood the material for this course when I can know that I can correctly and positively teach my peers, or maybe even my roommate or a family member or friend, and know that I am teaching them in a correct manner.